I'm just testing my audio. Sorry, from next time it won't be repeated. Okay, so is it start? Okay, so now, so yeah, so now I'm today I'm going to start like how to learn the Python. Okay, so here I'm using a ChatGPT to see how to learn the Python and how to remember the things. Okay, so I'm just sharing my screen here. Okay, I think my okay. So here, yeah, usually I have asked a question to that ChatGPT that give me the AI roadmap. Okay, so the stage one, it is foundations. It is saying that first 1 month to 2 months, the Python programming and the mathematics for AI and ML introduction. So I had given the links also to go through the course and all. And the next one is core machine learning, 3 to 4 months. So these are like lean supervised, unsupervised ML with real code. So they have given some topics and all, like key topics and resources. And coming to the next stage three is deep learning. That the goal is like lean neural networks, CNNs, RNNs, transformers. And the next stage four is NLP, Gen AI, and LLMs. So I think this is the last one. I think it takes like 7 to 8 months. Mm, Sorry, not. I mean, I think looks like it is calculating like 1 to 2. First 2 months is foundation, and next other 2 months for core machine learning. Next 2 months for deep learning, and next 2 months for NLP, Gen AI, and LLMs, and another 2 months for AI product building and deployment. So my main focus is to like learn the Python and AI and come up with some ideas how to build a product. I'm thinking of doing that one. So it looks like around 10 months it will take. I hope I don't think like it will take like 10 months, but maybe we will wrap it up like quickly. Yeah, it given like bonus stage six, going through the Kaggle and machine learning communities to see how the people are working on that. And the next one, actually I have checked with ChatGPT that I don't want to put any money. I want to learn everything free. So here again it given some of the links to go through. So if we see that Python programming, Python full course, real Python tutorials, so everything free. And for math, like it given some other links also, intro to AI, core ML. So yeah, like we'll start looking into it, like how it was and all. Like we are not in a hurry. So we'll start learning slowly and remembering the things and learn it, practice, right? And make the things perfect. So yeah, so I see that if you see here, like the first thing, like it given the Python full course, it is from the Bro Code YouTube channel. So I'm going to do that, and I given that the same link. And oh sorry, I have actually they have given one course paid one also. I checked with that Coursera, but that again we need to like spend some money on that. So I don't want to go through that one. So finally, yeah. So before learning anything, right? So I'm just checking like any instead of traditional learning process, do we have any fast-paced process learning process and anything? So I'm checking with ChatGPT on that. So I see that it is telling to use that Anki as a flashcard or Google Keep or sticky notes to remember the things. And also it is this is the main thing We I'm thinking to follow that spaced repetition. That is like day one, like if any topic, right? Once the 1 hour of learning is completed, so I think we will go through this one like day one, learn it concept, day two, review and test yourself, and day four, review again, and day seven, one last quiz or apply in a project. So I think based on this, right, so we will come up with a schedule like on or which one, I mean like based on topic, right, when to revise and when to review again and when to have a quiz, right? All those things we will come up with those. And there is another technique called Feynman technique. It is saying that either you can explain the things to some other people or explain yourself in front of mirror like that, right? And another thing is like yeah, I was obviously like learn by doing, like yeah. So instead of learning theoretically, right, so when you go to a I mean like any IDE and write the code, write the logic and write the logic and think about it, like what can be write on base, take one concept, right, take one concept and write the logic and see like how it goes until we succeed, right, until we get a proper output. So if we go in that way, I think usually we will remember the things easily, so maybe we will follow that one also. So maybe the and also there it given some of the apps which we can follow, that is mind maps like sketch notes, and the other is like use AI to quiz you. So yeah, we can use a chat GPT for quizzing purpose, or like weekly ones or kind of, and a daily 20-minute review routine. So yeah, obviously this should be have. And a bonus tip, learn in public, use analogies and teach a friend. Yeah, so obviously, so what my plan is like, so here I am thinking like we'll use some of the apps to remember, like, or it should show some flashcards and we can answer those flashcards to confirm that okay, we learned something, right? So as per the ChatGPT suggested, so I saw some of the apps I found, I downloaded. There was a desktop download. I didn't use that yet, so I just installed it one, and ongoing process like we will use these apps to see like how it works. I have like multiple apps, like this is Anki and another app called Mem. So this is also another one like which show the flashcards or something like that. And the other one is Excel draw. Maybe like usually, right, like if we want to understand perfectly, right, so if we come up with some flow, like draw something, a flow diagram, then it will be easy to remember from ourselves. But everything we cannot draw, so that is also there. And next one, Brainscape, another is also another app, but I didn't know any app till now. But ongoing process, like we will see and how everything is working. Maybe we will stop using if it is not, if it doesn't work out, or if any application is forcing us to pay money, right? So our goal is to learn everything free now. So yeah, so these are the things of from this, like my our takeaways are like using the apps and spaced repetition, and building like small projects and mind maps, Excel draw and other kind of apps, and 20-minute review every day, so that is there. Yeah, I think that's it. And also I checked with ChatGPT that can you see this YouTube video and let me know what to complete and when to revise and repeat. So it given some details, yeah, but I told to give in a document format. If you see here, so it is telling like 30 minutes video, 30 minutes code and notes. So these are the like day wise, like day one introduction setup. So it's based on the concept. So in that particular video, right? So if you go down, so there was a like index kind of like what are the topics. I think based on this one, this ChatGPT is created. I didn't do anything manually, so I'm using ChatGPT because we are all one and only app we are paying money is ChatGPT. So next one, the week two, their functions and data structure. Week three, advanced Python, GUI and multi-threading and ongoing retention plan. Okay. So please repetition tip like they are saying like use Anki or Notion, use flashcards on each week's terms, review on days 3, 7, 14, 21, 28. So these are the review dates. So it given like how, when to review and all. So obviously once we are done with any topic, right? So I will what I do is like I will write in my words and import that to these apps and see like how that behave also and how it will help us to going forward, right? So next thing is what I have asked another. Yeah, I think yeah, this is the one. I think that is yeah. So this is the one I have asked. Then yeah. So the thing is like in that YouTube, it was asking like it was in YouTube video. He was telling to install the PyCharm. So that was the one of the IDE. So that will help. I mean like we can write the code there, Python code there, and execute everything that we can do. So I already installed. I can show you that what all I have installed for this one. So I gone through once a few minutes like how to install the Python and how to install the PyCharm. So those I have installed. I can show you that one. So PyCharm. Let's see. I think maybe it takes some time. So this is the community edition. So this is the free one. It won't force you to buy it. I see another version is also there other than community edition. So that will force you like after few days, it will ask you to download. I mean like buy that particular product. Some modules are running here. So I see here also it is trial. Oh, 24 out of 30 days. Okay, this is only for pro trial. Enjoy all ID features completely free. No payment is required. So let's see like how many days will it get? I mean like will it work? If it doesn't work like after 30 days, maybe we'll come up with a different ID. So I'm I'm not a fan of anything. So let's see what it says. Okay, so I think that's it I want to tell, and I thought of okay, I'm just checking my video, how much time it is taking. So yeah, so here we can see this the video. It was 12-hour video, and our suggestion like it is telling that in within 4 weeks we should complete it. We can complete it. We'll see whether we can complete that or not. So let's start from tomorrow. So we are done with um, all the installations. Then we'll see like how we will progress. Yeah, I think tomorrow I will come up with some progress report kind of like um, like to count all the days, each and every day, like how much time we took to learn and whether we have succeeded or not. Anyway, first day we won't be having any quiz kind of. From the second day onwards, we will be having a review and a quiz kind of quiz. And everything will be recorded, like whether we have passed that quiz or not, and and review also we need to mark it like we have done the review. So I will again use the ChatGPT to come up with that format, so maybe we can see like how it works. So yeah, I think that's it. So tomorrow, what I'm thinking is like I won't sh I won't see this video with you guys, because anyway you guys know like what is this video. If you want to go through, you guys can go through, but after 30 minutes, like whatever the learning path, right, it was mentioned. So based on that, if we will, I will try to follow more than that also. Sometimes I can follow. So once that is completed, while taking the notes, maybe I will again my start my video, start recording, and I will note down all the whatever I have learned from that particular session, and note down, and we'll see like if we can write any code, right? So writing program, and anything related to that. So I will share my screen, and I will show you that. But it's again saying it. This is not. I'm not teaching to anyone. I'm just learning myself. If you want to learn with me, you can learn it. Otherwise, um, whatever you want to do, you do. That's fine. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice one. Bye.